And there's a new row over the nuclear liability law before the meeting between President Obama and Prime Minister Singh takes place at the UN General Assembly in New York. NDTV has learnt that the government is planning to bypass Indian nuclear law that makes suppliers liable in the case of a nuclear accident like Fukushima, Chernobyl or 3 Mile Island. Sunil Prabhu joins us with more. Sunil, it sounds like suppliers will now be protected from the consequences of a nuclear accident if this goes through. What's the probability of the government getting the opposition on board?
Well, it seems highly unlikely that they'll get the opposition on board. They're trying to take a legal loophole from that nuclear liability law that Parliament has passed and is now an act of India. The fact is, there are 2 points that the Americans wanted to limit the liability. That they have succeeded because the Attorney General has given an opinion agreeing with that presumption, as well as, of course, with the fact that in case the Nuclear Power Corporation agrees to get into an agreement, be it the Americans or be it the Russians or be it the French, and they don't have in their contract the right to recourse, then the clause 17 of the Nuclear Liability Bill is not liable on the Nuclear Power Corporation. So that's the kind of opinion that has been given by the Attorney General. A final view will have to be taken by the Government of India as they prepare that draft cabinet note where they want to get a special working agreement with the American company White Westinghouse to set up and do the due diligence for 550 crores and of course indemnify these companies for life. There are huge serious complications on that, but nevertheless that's for another day. The fact is that the government has got the go-ahead, the legal what they call opinion to go ahead with in terms of getting an agreement on how to go forward on an important and very crucial issue which has really rocked both houses of parliament and has become an extremely contentious issue. Now they plan to bypass it. Whether they will get that political approval, that seems highly unlikely, but nevertheless the government seems determined at this stage.